To share your public profile on Snapchat to Instagram directly. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to share your public profile on Snapchat to Instagram in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is easy. Go to Snapchat, now go to the top corner, click on your avatar like this and scroll down until you find my public profile option. Click on it and this is my public profile. As you can see, now all what you have to do is go to the top corner again and click on this settings option and choose the third option. It's share profile. Click on share profile and click on share profile URL. Now swipe right until you find Instagram and click on it. It's very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.